All right, I've got the Brix digital refractor here from Lnicez, Lnicez, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually use it. All right, so we're going to do a couple different measurements. I'm going to turn it on here, so just push and hold. All right, so it's at 0%, so I don't need to zero it, so that's good. So we're going to do a couple different ones. Because I'll need to stop and dry it off and clean it in between, I'll just shoot 3 separate videos so that you can get 3 different samples of different types of stuff. So first, I'm going to do some Diet Mountain Dew. So this shouldn't really show any sugar, because it's Diet Mountain Dew and it should only have sucralose. So we're going to wait 20 seconds here, and while we wait, I guess I'll just tell you about the other things I'm going to do. I thought I'd do some kombucha, because this does have some sugar in it. So, 18 grams of sugar, so we should find something with that. And then I thought I'd try just some flavored seltzer, because again, it shouldn't have any. So that's just what we have. We don't have a lot of sugary drinks around our house because we don't drink much sugar. But this is a cool thing just to be able to measure this. I like this. So I think we've been about 20 seconds, so we'll go ahead and press the measure. So you saw the status bar. So it says 22%. So 22. And I'll have to go ahead and tell you what that means in the next video, because I'm going to look that up and try to figure that out. But it's showing 22% for the Diet Mountain Dew. So that's kind of interesting to see. So, all right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get this cleaned off. We'll do the kombucha, which we know has sugar in it, and we'll see what percent that comes out at. All right, so got the Brix Refractor. Now we're going to try the kombucha. We're going to go for a measurement on this. So I was reading up on these different Brix levels and what they necessarily mean. And what they primarily mean is however many percent, that's usually how many grams of sugar per 100 grams. So 22% would be like 22 grams of sugar per 100 grams of that. And this can really be used best to determine, like, if you're making wine, if you're making your own wine, that's where these can really come in handy, and you harvest grapes at a certain Brix percentage, and then that'll let you know the range of alcohol by volume that wine is going to end up. So it looks like if you harvest them between 20 and 24% Brix, then you're going to yield a wine of 11 to 13.3% alcohol by volume. So this is really good for any of you who make your own wine or your beer. You can use the same thing for beer, I was reading, so a lot of cool things there. Well, let's measure the kombucha and let's see what it comes up as. 4.3%. Okay, so that's interesting. The way these work, they must. So what they're looking for is sucrose, and because Diet Mountain Dew has sucralose, there's sucrose. It must see sucralose the same as it sees sucrose, would be my guess. So that makes sense. But again, this is ideal for any of you guys who do home brewing or wine fermentation, any type of winemaking, that kind of stuff. That's where this would really come in handy. So kind of cool to see how that works out. Again, it's a Brix digital refractometer, and the brand is Lnicez, which is Lnicez, and you can see all those links in the description. Thanks.